Hi, I'm RG Pamaran. Welcome to my vlog, RGTV03 True Life Story. For today's vlog, for today's video, I want you to achieve my story. It's all about how to repair computers. First thing you do, if you have a computer, you need to have an antivirus. Antivirus help the computer to protect for any viruses comes toward to your computer when you're downloading or installing software or any kind of software that you installed in your computer. Because I'm a college graduate and I'm an IT information technology graduate, and the second thing you do, if you have a computer, just reformat it every 3 months. Because I reformat my computer every 3 months. Then, how to reformat a computer? The last time, way back 2009, when I worked in Imus Institute here in Imus, Cavite, Philippines, I used some CD-ROM, CD before. For now, I think you need only a flash drive to reformat a computer. To reformat a computer, you must install the software inside the flash drive or CD that you want to reformat. You can download to some website, just search it on Google, and then install the software inside the CD and or the flash drive. Many people use computer because it it contains some information that can store data inside the computer. Computer can store data inside the computer, and then if you want to if you want to help your computer clean every day, just go to recycle bin. If you delete your files, go to recycle bin and delete all your files. So you can maximize the remaining space on your hard drive inside the computer. The parts of the computer are the motherboard, hard drive, memory RAM, video card, processor, mouse, keyboard, or LCD if you have a personal computer. What you call the computer with the central processing unit or CPU, and monitor with keyboard and mouse and AVR for protection for the electricity of the computer is called desktop. And laptop, we know all about that laptop. It's very expensive, but I only use cell phone for my blog because I already sell my computer. If you want to uh, don't use your computer, your laptop while charging, because it's like a cell phone. It will damage your laptop when you're building a when you are using a computer. Don't use your laptop while charging because the battery of the laptop will be damaged, and it's hard to replace if you don't have if you have rare laptop. Some rare laptop don't have a enough battery to replace. So for me, I adapt myself to search on Google what's on the new on the computer, but it's not hard for me to, because I already told before later that I'm a, I'm a college graduate of computer, so it's not hard to me to use a computer or Android phone or iPhone because I know computer. Okay, it's all about for this vlog about computer, and see you on my next vlog, my next video. Okay, I hope you enjoy. Leave this comment below, and this is again is RGTV TV03, my vlog, and see you on my next video.